Happy Auto Sales. We're out driving our Jeep Grand Wagoneer, going down the road about 60 miles an hour. Nice Jeep, got awesome paint on it. The woodgrain looks like it's new. Interior's original and in good shape. 166 is what the odometer's showing, so for this age, not bad. See, everything works on it. Let's see if the cruise actually works. I'd be surprised if it does. Most of these systems didn't work when they weren't that old, so cruise does not work, so that's one thing that does not work. Got a good look to it with a 2-inch lift kit on it, so give it a little muscle look to it. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, of course power windows, power locks, power mirrors, dual power seats. They got an aftermarket CD. The factory one is in the back seat here, is in the cargo area. So lots of options and just a really good looking cool Jeep. Any questions? 605-695-7391.